Hi, I'm Megan with WTI, and I'm obsessed with my new Kraus kitchen faucet. I love the industrial type vibe that tall faucets give. I really love how strong the pressure is for the pot filler. It definitely makes filling your pot a lot faster and easier. I love that the top spout is held on with a magnet. The magnet's quite strong, so you're not going to have this faucet unclipping unnecessarily and getting in the way because of that. So this part of the hose does not extend. There is give to it, so it's definitely flexible and great for cleaning out your sink, but it doesn't actually extend down into the sink if that's something that you're looking for. I really love the spot-free stainless steel metal on this. It is true blue spot-free, no word of a lie, which is perfect if you have little kiddos around the home like I do with dirty little hands, because then you don't have to worry about fingerprints all over your faucet. So if you're looking for a great faucet that gives off an industrial looking vibe while still looking clean and shiny and spot free, then I definitely recommend this faucet by Kraus, and that's my point of view.